Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix skin color on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. As you can see now, my skin color is black and white. So simply just open your settings, scroll down, showing it to accessibility, and you get vision and enhancement. Scroll down. As you can see now, it's enabled to color correction. Just make sure to turn off, select this and make sure to turn off. Okay, as you can see now I'm get back to normal color, and check out to turn off all about this. Okay, when I'm disable all about, then showing it to normal color. That's it.